There comes a time in everyone's life when nothing seems to work, when every effort feels like a waste, when giving up feels easier than trying again. If you have ever felt like that, this story, this message is for you. Because today we will talk about something simple but powerful enough to change your life forever. Today's topic is the art of never giving up. Let's be honest, life is not always fair. Sometimes you work hard and still you don't need get what you want. Sometimes people don't see your effort, sometimes success feels too far. And in those moments your mind whispers, just stop trying. But listen carefully. Those are the exact moments that test your strength. Not when your life is easy, but when life challenging you to see how deeply you believe in your dream. Remember, diamonds are made under pressure. Butterflies come up from struggle, and the strong soul are saved by storm. There is a story about Thomas Edison, a man who invented the light bulb. He failed not once, not 10 times, but over 1,000 times before succeeding. A reporter once asked him, how did it feel to fail 1,000 times? Edison smiled and said, I didn't fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 ways that didn't work. That's the mindset of people who never give up. They don't see failure as an ending, they see it as a step closer to success. Every failure has a lesson hidden inside it. It teaches patience, humility, and wisdom lessons success never can. You can lose money and earn it back. You can lose time and still rebuild. But if you lose your willpower, everything else loses meaning. Remember this, you only fail when you stop trying. The hardest fight in life is not against other. It's against your own thoughts. Is that small voice that say you can't do it. You are not good enough. No one believe in you. But you don't have to silence that voice. You have to answer it. Say, yes, I can. Yes, I'm learning. Yes, I will improve it. Not to other, but to myself. You are stronger than you think. You have survived every bad day till now. And that means you have 100% success rate at surviving. People want quick success, but true success takes time. A seed doesn't become a tree in a day. It grows slowly, silently, under the soil. It faces rain, wind, and heat, but still grow upward. Your dream is just like this seed. It needs care, effort, and time. Don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. Trust the process. Your time will come. Success is not about speed, it's about staying power. Let's look at J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. She was rejected by 12 publishers before someone finally said yes. She was poor, struggling, and a single mother, but she didn't give up. If she had stopped after the first rejection, the world would never have known Harry Potter. So the next time you will feel rejected, remember, sometime no just mean not yet. Don't compare your journey with others. Someone else's success doesn't mean your failure. Some people reach their goal at 25, other at 45. Both are on time because the destiny matter less than the courage to keep walking. You are not late. You are not behind. You are just your own unique path. And that beautiful. Here is something to remember. When you feel tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Take a break, breathe, cry if you need to, but never throw away your dream. Because the day you give up might be the day before your miracle happens. Hold on a little longer. You are closer you think. Belief is invisible, but it's built everything. Every invention, every success, every dreams. started as a belief inside someone's heart. So if people laugh at your dream, smile. It means your dream is big enough to scare small minds. Keep believing, even if no one else does, because the world only believes after you success. So believe now, before they do. Never giving up doesn't mean never failing. It's mean getting up every single time you fall. It means standing tall when the world expects you to break. It means saying, I'm not done yet. Remember, great things takes time. Beautiful things grow slowly, and the strong people are built in silence. Stop, keep walking, keep believing, keep trying, even when no one watching. Because one day your story will inspire the other, and they will say, if they didn't give up, why should I? So, whatever you are chasing, don't stop now. You have come too far to only come this far. Every sunrise is proof that no light lasts forever. Your time will come, your dream will shine. Just never give up.